hands-on interaction, learning about chefs, learning about different entry-level positions. We go on field trips. They actually have the opportunity to earn a certification, and that certification, if they go through level 1 and level 2, they can eventually apply for scholarships that can actually fund their way through culinary school. So that's exciting.
It helps like the kids to learn how to cook, because most kids they might want to move on to the next level, so it's just getting started.
It's a pathway to become in the food business, I guess. Usually people who have passions to be like chefs or stuff like that don't really get that opportunity to do it in school, so I think it's good that they have this class here. It really gives you that like extra push to become a chef or to, you know, learn everyone. Basically you learn everything.
Working on yeast breads today, and they're going to take these yeast bread bowls that they make and empty those out and put in some homemade chowder. So to prepare for that, what's really cool is they're making their own homemade stock from scratch, and then they're going to use that same stock to go into their chowder. So it's a very developmental process for them to see all those steps and learn hands-on.
I like learning like how to make different things, and I like being able to like try them and like taste them afterwards.